When you are creating a new publication, there are many different built-in presets you can choose from. However, you can always add or remove pages as needed. We will be revisiting our monthly newsletter to temporarily add some new pages and manipulate them. Open 321 Monthly Newsletter from the Domain 3 student folder. First, to add new pages to your document, you want to use the Pages panel. Choose the Pages panel menu and select Insert Pages. Let's add 2 new pages to the end of the document. Notice that you can choose exactly how many pages and where to place them. Select the OK button, and now we have pages 5 and 6. Because the document is using spreads, page 5 is part of the spread between pages 4 and 5. Now, let's just remove page 6. You may drag page 6 to the trash can at the bottom of the Pages panel, or select and hold or right-click page 6 and select Delete Spread. Still using the Pages panel, let's see how to select a page or an entire spread. First, to select one page, just double-click the page. I'm going to select page 4. When a page is selected, it automatically centers the page in the window. Now, let's select the page 4 to 5 spread. To select a spread, double-click the page numbers for 4 to 5. The entire spread is now centered in the window. This is a simple way to center any page or spread you'd like.